Put your arms out to the side like this. And turn around. If you bump into somebody, you're too close. So you need to get to a space. Right, now, here we go then. It's Tiger Club dance time. If you don't know it, watch all of us on the stage. It's very, very easy to do. Here it comes. Thanks very much, Steve. First of all, we start by clapping our hands, everybody, like we do with every single party dance. Clap your hands. The next thing we're going to do is jump up and down. Are you ready? Let's begin. Jump. The next thing we're going to do is do a big roar, like Roar the Tiger does, okay? Roar! Clap your hands and rub up your motorbikes. We're going to go looking. Right, turn around everybody on the stage. Shake your bottom, shake your wiggle, wiggle. Right hands to the front. Everybody run. Well done, everybody cheer, really loud, cheer! Well done, well everybody, unfortunately it's time to say goodbye to Polly Ragdoll. Everybody say, aww. I know, but you'll see her again soon, so everybody cheer, yeah, you're going to see her again. Right, put your arm in the air, come on everybody, put your arm in the air. Everybody say, bye bye Polly! But she's blowing you a kiss, blow her a kiss back.